Maximizing comprehension. Mastering during reading questions. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our latest tutorial on reading comprehension strategies. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of during reading questions. These questions are a crucial component of active reading, a strategy that can significantly boost your comprehension and engagement with a text. Ready? Let's jump right in. During reading questions are questions you pose to yourself while you're actively engaged in reading a text. The key here is engagement. When you question the text as you read, you're not just passively absorbing information, you're actively interacting with the material. It's like having a conversation with the author. This interaction deepens your understanding and helps you retain more information. So, what kind of questions should you ask while reading? Here are a few examples. 1. Clarification questions. What does this word or phrase mean? What is the main idea of this paragraph? 2. Prediction questions. What do I think will happen next? How will this issue resolve? 3. Reflection questions. How does this information connect to what I already know? How does this relate to my life or the world around me? 4. Evaluation questions. Do I agree with the author's point of view? Are there any logical inconsistencies or unsupported claims? These questions not only help you comprehend the material, but they also enhance your critical thinking skills. Implementing during reading questions is straightforward. All you need to do is 1. Pause periodically while reading, especially after each paragraph or section. 2. Reflect on what you just read. Ask yourself the questions mentioned above. 3. Note your answers and insights. It helps to jot down your thoughts to refer back later, aiding in overall comprehension and memory. Remember, it's not about the number of questions you ask, but rather the quality of those questions and your engagement with the text. And that's a wrap. Today, we learned about the power of during reading questions and how they can transform your reading experience. By asking questions and actively engaging with a text, you can unlock a deeper understanding of the material and boost your comprehension skills. Keep practicing, and happy reading. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep reading. Until next time, farewell.